If your organization uses Salesforce Shield or standalone event monitoring licenses, you need to prepare for the upcoming Transaction Security Policy TSP enhancements that will be enforced starting in July 2026. It is important to know right away who is affected. This change affects only organizations with Salesforce Shield or event monitoring licenses. If your organization does not have Salesforce Shield or event monitoring licenses, you are not impacted. For those who are impacted, what exactly is a transaction security policy? It is a specialized feature that allows admins to define custom rules to identify risky or malicious behavior. TSPs also offer advanced customization once a risky action is detected. For example, you can send email alert notifications to admins, challenge the user to re-authenticate, or completely block the risky action. You might be wondering why this is necessary if Salesforce already requires step-up verification for report exports. While the general step-up control grants users a configurable grace period of 1 to 120 minutes after they verify, a TSP acts as an extra safety net during that window specifically to prevent massive, large-scale data exfiltration. To do this, Salesforce will automatically deploy a new default policy that triggers a step-up challenge whenever a user attempts to export a report with more than 10,000 records via the Salesforce UI. Keep in mind that API-based exports, such as those performed via Data Loader, are completely exempt from this limit. Transaction security policies are always editable, so you can customize the new default TSP to fit your company's security use case. However, if your organization already has an existing report event policy built using the condition builder, Salesforce will respect your current configuration and will not deploy the new default policy to your org. Salesforce is also tightening control over who can manage these policies. To create, edit, or disable a TSP, admins will now need a new modified transaction security policy user permission in addition to the standard customized application permission. Manage assignments to assign users to this new permission. Even with this new permission, making changes to a TSP will trigger its own step-up verification challenge to ensure the admin's active session is secure. To review the default policy in your Sandbox or to learn how to assign the new user permission, check out the Prepare for Transaction Security Policy Enhancements knowledge article linked below.